Black Queens make us on Dubai. Kobo 4 Nation tournament. Tuni the Pink Ladies Cup. They did crab of first game that then heard him say about and second game. Now my acquire no Hong Kong, Tanzania, Russia, and Ghana. Now I said the name say the other same game near. As they playing to Dubai the Okwa an person Ferdinand also in the family. Dubai and also Shadema. What to see boom? What to see boom? They say Dubai no playing into any beer band in Swako into Omo Dubai they so bien to me and to Kanko Babia and Amo Aka Aye Crudum. Nanumuna among for yes, Nanya the air cost in India, Adena, Abay, on per flight to be from Dubai ho, Nanko from Mayano and so because Obicros was some na and says ACD and Kabaya Yanko na Yanko for Mumra. Nanumu and sports minister and so Acheche Nemukakra. As you say, a bino or co na wakakofa and Mariano Abba, and I say untimi and conformo and ma. And no any say the Nano, ye don't yente the minister and so no. I can't defer a Mariano, as you say, a buy and conform Abba, and I say Uncle Formo and so Emma in Shawanzo 4.5.
It is not the best of situations. No matter the assurances, it's not the best of situations. Our only challenge now is that the airports are also shut. So you can't even evacuate, you can't take anybody out. You can only keep them where you feel they are safe. The next assessment is to find out whether where they are playing the matches is far away of possible targeted areas that could be struck by anybody. And if the indication is that it is way off, it's not around any installation or on the route of any special installation, and they can go ahead, then if so security advise that they go ahead, then they will. But otherwise, if you ask me as a layman, my position would be that let's stop the competition, the friendlies, and let's find a better time to play. It's unfortunate.
Okay. And the minister, and Odinche Mukakradi, Ama say the enemy situation. Say Dubai no prano. Say Mpo say I was ready. Or the flight to Dubai. Now go for my bar. Or they fine because airport a hold one year dinner to plane court ne BAP. And tis say ne dear so mo yan say on be keep my one or baby mu feel say on me safe. Na ade ba ko a almost the venue na omobo air tournament no. Say security bibia you okay na mayo no bobo game no na bibia amadia. Why not? Omomomabo. But ono as a layman or channel join their fast and no onya expect no on the ususu sen kebeya tournament no komunya abo for the meantime no mo mpeda pope time nanka omo emmo na bibia enso enye kama nti Black Queens ya say omo awo Dubai nti mo am say mfa plane ko form no so James minister say enye possible won't you evacuate you we go flight not divine
menya sure say obi onim situation no recommend yanko form keep no conform and yanko form nyenne and enyo monko there are a lot of people on my stranded Dubai ebi mu call holidays ebi mu cry we doing
reflecting was on in the family now
yes omo call wakoka untimi nkomba ye call kata 2012 no we met my Ghanaian friend bi oye adwuma ho nti most of your runs and ye no on one of the company ka be fire na odi akochinchenra he sent me videos and voice notes rich anya ahogrosemo we are really enjoying life rich I'll show you the video just and yes too far from baby oye adwuma I said bomb to I'm a home popie ni bia be gun say bomb eto a split it I'm a home particles ni bia be oh timi sisawo wow rich enye easy kra enre ya ana Dubai for ko ka say the Iran for ne no they will retaliate omanu ensikwa na re emphasize okay sir 4 no must to bomb back 4 echo cronim. Look, me no no book Kofi Adam si adwen. Me kai during the COVID time. Assembly the then president Ekaya to Ghana for in Akumaso. And he say, waka chen in man for no more boom say baby sika will be a bit my money man for one tomu and one hair mokaka. Yanko first canimra. Na from moya man for the whole buy. At least and quadie. Ye bet me a say economy ne ya bonkwa ho buy. Later, me a junior economy ne ho. Rich. Yes, yeah, prepare for man of AFCON. But in the current situation anyway, anyone who hear anything else. And the Omo Dubai no money black queens for no one. Look, the first and foremost priority for them is to protect the team. Any Omo and not be too concentrated on basi be preparation na abi boni bi ansinti ye koso aye live a normal life. Dabi, we are far from the situation. But Rich, the margin of error say basi be di djuma di ebinti no aden kan men be breti ye di no. The ambassador change and say they are planning should just towards more of protecting the lives of the team than any other thing. And to say there is even 5% risk. See a Kosovo and a game against Russia and training. That 5%
put it on hold.
Yes, is enough to cancel it. No. We will not take any excuse. Say a man who crowd mono and a man who sumna to be that one any problem. But can you imagine, Rich? So story beba say ye kwa bontisi ye kwa training and I have a
game now
and
so ya two bomb bi na akoto.
How do you come and explain that? Yes, wrong.
Yes, hold now.
Yes, wrong.
Yeah, said that minim Kofi say bia wo quick ayi bia na fe yemfa ehwe Kotoko nsensem no.
I think that's so they have already decided say Mambeba back to Ghana. I think even the people of Dubai say everything is okay. For me, there is nothing much. At the end of the day, you move on.
Oh, okay. Okay, so now the news is that almost Nyami had my bottle over.
Maybe airport.
Yeah, Dubai airport there. The announcement by said we're going to open to start international flights. Then those who want to leave, no can.
And I gave you ever cost. Somebody might take out for yeah. Probably they've assessed it. I must say, if they've assessed the situation there,
that's a security.
And we are good to go. But what I am saying is that if the risk, yes, if the risk level even 5%.
Go bomb something account. Obi up to go baby na
advanced countries they said Dubai no, they don't do try and error. Before some bad says Yembo game, you know, then they've assessed almost everything.
Okay, me say. 70 putting on hold at the end of it.
She see the but say
we are not in normal times. But you're putting on hold.
No, but
if be about 2 days, 3 days that we can play.
But say menu me no see more experts. So more so experts I say they are then
because we Kofi had the grown Americans and omo mawo.
Or even member
omo news na e koso no.
Yeah.
Okobobo. Onim say o yes here to bomb ni ad ojina park no so gra no. Ni concentration on the game na way.
So say the psychologists who assess them, Rich. I ain't trust them.
Psychologists near there.
But we also have to trust people to do their job.
What?
You ain't trusting on some bit.
Maybe I organizers the country so put it on hold for now. At least and now Chinebi 2 days be keke crown actually no. You better to so I didn't busy.
Line up grab.
Was
line up in Naba.
There's a born
we wish them all the best.
Even say we follow international reports but when it comes to the mess house and as a name here kind of bomb near their dinner Bakukra and Kadibayo. The issue that happened a debris from the mess house I can't saw home building. So I mean that is a near perfect country when it comes to security.
Okay. After to Asante Kotoko border and chairman share etieno. I'm not data bank CEO. Yera kodo ademensa. And so achana doing a day afa a new border. Kumasa sana konsuno enyano. Na yenti kodo na fi yema to adwumedin so. Emfa emamo.
We are back to square one. I'm not surprised, but I'm like, it's like deja vu for me. I've been in this system long enough to know that we are just going round and round in concentric circles, and we will make no progress. The best we will get is probably a league title. Even that, when was the last time we won a league title? You get me? And that will be all. Two of us desire to get an African trophy. It won't happen in this way. It won't happen. This thing, I've seen it. I was saying the other time that the only thing that hasn't changed in Kotoko is our model. The business model is the only thing that hasn't changed in Kotoko. Players have changed. Management has changed. Board has changed. Even the venue we play has changed. We played in Kumas. We played in Bekwai. We played in Obuasi. We played in Abranket. Everything has changed in Kotoko except the business model. And we are back to this thing.
Okay, and the data bank see you. Koja Demensa. And now this uncle media to ya at the afar at your border, Kumasa Santukoro, and Yano. Also, any the fufro, a dadanoa. As a bibian, she dance sign. I at a board. No ma ba, no ma baby, no more cockney as at a board. The bia, anti, Pimsoti, MJ, and go up Africa with Africa, Kubusum. But also the Kotoko, you know, Debia said the same way na Modona, no Mode running 8 minutes. So adia ba kokoswa na uye at the same result and at the moment you say dia Kotoko ye no the only thing I could obetimi anya until we be in the league eno ye Kotoko anya dia pa ba say Africa Kotoko no akoya dia ne sa ne man dia I say dia koko say at board de bia at board no mo na fufraba ni akofa we CEO ni akofa management wan hwan de bia or say sa dia and you could the same result na and na ombokoswa omonsu ebetimi enya as a club. Best one go to empire la mensa mra hu bib na data bank CEO kodwa dem mensa asema okay. Oni ne adwen na oni ne adwen. Say same old story.
Okay. Now I'm trying to choose the right words.
Okay.
He's right. The perspective now was sharing. He's right. As I'm not can is facts. And normal assistance Kotoko. They are changing almost BBR. They are carrying the business model. He's right, like a factual. But there's a little caveat on this board and per information I mean could not only give Kotoko league trophy, they can add Bibi Fufro. Yes. Ebia enye for obi say me for Kojo Ademensa for Dr. Bania Komone when we are having conversation about Kotoko. Ebia na enye the ideal solution. Debi etedi hun komono ena abano enye noa enti the expectation will be bibi fufuro bi ensi aye gidi bia that one is fundamentally true, but apart from say be a board way ebetimi just like any other administration ebetimi winning league trophy within the 5 years na dia momo. And the young can on record, they've given them 5-year mandate. Within the 5 years, they can win the league, Rich, from where they are coming from. And from Nkoma, Miminim, say Omadi or them, they can exit Kotoko, not giving the club a sustainable business club, but they can add a Kotoko complex or a befitting secretariat. At least, until make us say this one in particular have that unique opportunity to do that. Pen koma akoso, and even why they are the omaba. What the make us make us say? And fundamentally, Kojade is right. The expectation is because the long-term expectation for everybody always Kotoko well, Rich, and say Kotoko be a sustainable brand of football. Sika. The budget will do enough to be consistent on the African continent. That is the ultimate viewer. Obia or Yoshi Kotoko Yebia, also who say Kotoko, aber back to the days. That is the standard. Say Kotoko, no matter who comes in, who goes out. Kotoko structures in the war, a year Juma permanent. The structures is able to fetch Kotoko Sika enough. Emma Kotoko Timi are running $8 million budget a year. $10 million budget a year. Send a Simba money, Younger money, Ali money standards. That is the ultimate standard. It's no be aware and say, oh, I did your body say, can it take us there? It can't. Enti me for young call. And kaka, we think that the structure must be right. The people are mobile structure must be right. And it's no money and then see. That is the reason why Koja them say, oh, I didn't remember who be that. Yeah, the board for Fraba, near ya change near the before Fraba, for the best that they can do for us, and it's on Beji League, near Africa, near Kofim. And what he's saying is right. But I'm saying, sir, there is a small room for an additional BBA, this kind board. Everything with the Kotoko. Whether it is enough for your expectations or not, at least they can add a Kotoko complex at Atakojachi. And the befitting secretariat, monumental infrastructure.
And you say Raju shop there is into construction.
Yes.
And this all
is into mining. Kofi Aban is into oil. And yet, almost professional. But I'm saying, say, I know for a fact, in Koma, and you almost buy him.
Okay.
And what almost aton as omoni so adi huntia, Yadia Jumana Ma, at least, and Rich, say, if after their 5-year mandate, so I'll be very, very surprised.
Okay.
I'll be
in
very,
terms of
very
infrastructure there.
Yes.
Infrastructure,
no, specifically the Kotoko complex as Adekojachi.
And then secretariat.
And additionally, a secretariat. Whether they will even move the secretariat from Ordinary Quadra, so normally a Quadakojachi Preko, fix it into the complex of Grana. That must be done by this board.
Kofi?
Rich, for me, maybe Kotoko could do is long overdue.
I don't want to be enough. Because I was supposed to be enough. So, board you buy, I know you my infrastructure. Okadakojachi complex, no. My new secretariat, who are to say, they are befitting Kotoko.
Rich, one of my first principles I made about my bra is the definition of progress. Progress idea independently of yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, you share say enra Ayala talk intimate talk mean progress here. Ayala talk but Ayala talk no certain na me pabwa me denanti chaloti mato sneaker. That is your progress. So given where Kotoko wants to go in the scheme of things of Kotoko alone, is that progress? I think it is, because Kotoko ni BCC. So if by that time that is done, that is progress. And for me, that is not the big deal. The big deal is how it is now difficult for Ayala, some huge Kotoko fans like himself, Koja Dimensa, Dr. Kwambani Akon, yourself. I don't think it's even about more. Apart from more, no. The average Kotoko fan cannot trust. No, has done a good job in telling us the mandates, the length. But it is hard. Say that we got to go find on our trust. So there's a lot of work to do, honestly. And I think that I can't wait to see the end. Na board number statue of Juma in earnest. Na feed Kotoko fans to be okay. Because if it's 5 years, in the first 6 months, Kotoko fans will want to see something to support the board and then the management. And you can support that. You'd want them to be at the stadium. You'd want them to support everything Kotoko. You want them to be there in Soto area bowl. You say in Soto area bowl. There, so be or bow chidom or person supporters be bow chidom. Abrebiem. And Rihanna Jo. Nhyira. Inti. And no ni adieno. Say first 6 months. Then about never be supporters number. Second 6 months to a year, the short-term goals. No, how will the supporters begin to believe? Because today the biggest stakeholders are the supporters. Yeah. But the first question you asked Ayala was that Ayala yente ya yate.
And
Yes, that's doubt the way one can because you wrote that question now because as a Kotoko fan, that is a little doubt that you have, and I'm sure he has. Yes, he agreed with you that there's some doubt. Can it be done? Not because of the credentials of the astute gentleman of Figesime Yomo. No, these are astute in their own fields, top. But the very things that they be Kotokonya, the infighting. The small cracks that forms now for the we are exactly see it me as you and then the supporters see progress. For me, I think that is the bigger work because in August and Mr. Joseph AC a bigger complex for Kotoko he can in less than 5 years because the Kofi Aban AC a complex for Kotoko. So otu vokra money say on your crana exactly so they can do it. However, it is the journey that's everyday Kotoko and the issues that come along the ways no and the problem neighbor. So let's see how it goes.
So I understand if you want to reach consensus. Yeah. But yes, some because I don't see anyone so share what brought the board nature and saying and some IMC neighbor now. When the chief of staff Nhyira Kofi Bedu so this is a facility that belongs to a former Kotoko board chairman, Kespen. You bet me at all. Develop the place for Kotoko. Adeko Judge, we need massive improvements. Any other. Nhyira was very bent on the Dr. Che-led administration said, and they should build the infrastructure. And Sisa, because of what Fifi was now all mentioned, infighting, power play. Intiafina, Muma young focus on the Omedema and there be only CEO no only so they lost focus. To sum it up, they lost focus. And be toka. Now fast forward, IMC Aba. Rich, don't you believe say baby a free baninti? And even Nhyira thinks he doesn't even need numbers. He need just people who will listen, who are ready. 3 a year. Pen number be brainer. I feel now anyway. You get it. You pekofo. You can't some nichi omo say okay. You ready. You be here. Enti my mandate na yenkosom. Enti the numbers a cry indication say, look, it seems these people have been brought in for a specific job. They just come and do it for us. Okay. And Rich, and go for me and say, but I think say, guided by what has happened before, we will see less issues with these people. You get it. We will see less issues with these people.
The problem sometimes is not them. And the people that are around them. And I'm boss. And no. So I mean, of course, I hope that they
also said the same thing. No, the more the number, the more they introduce alcohol. Sure. But so many few. Well, I think that the next leg of the conversation will be almost appointment. Okay. The people they bring into work. And also betimi amomoi akomene.
Amuzu garlic bitters mamoja die frusani ye blood pressure any cholesterol ko form eyi sciatica yaw